Hi guys, welcome to Willie's World. Come with us on a cruise. Golden Eagle. Let's go.
I think those back anodes have seen better days. Apparently there's one missing at the front.
What are they missing?
As you can see, we've got quite a lot of play in our bottom cut there. We have asked for that to be replaced.
This is giving me piece to the bearings.
We're missing quite a few ball bearings in there. Lots of little bits that need wire brushing back.
Grinder on it.
I think that anode isn't too bad. The ones on this side seem alright. There's quite a lot of bits to repair with the wheel. We have new anodes to go on. Not a lot left of the other ones. He's taking them off now. Likewise with that one. The three on this side are all good. One's on the side. Not too bad. Except for this one, which probably got sheared off when we got hung up in Stoke Hammond Lock. These are the front ones. So by the time we do it again in 2 years' time, there won't be much left of that one. So this is after the wire wheel prep. You won't ever get all of it off. All the loose stuff is off. First coat of blacking. Well, it's perfectly supported. So, just having a look at getting the rudder and the tiller bearing off.
Hit and miss this bit. Right, so I've been in there and had a bit of a go round with the grinder, but it's obviously still going to possibly be attached.
Yes.
So now we have to just get a bit violent with it.
Well, that's always interesting.
It might work, it might not. It doesn't. I didn't even use one piece of pipe. It's two bits of pipe that are welded together.
Oh no.
But I can take it. Oh, I knew you could do it.
Just try to get it straight so it'll come out with a top.
More than one way to skin a cat.
Hey. Go, give it whack. There you go.
Yeah, it's just going down again.
See, he works out. Don't fall in. That's a long shaft too.
Well, it has to be.
Oh, I see what he's doing. Putting it out.
Yeah, good. Pull the whole thing out.
Yeah.
Nearly there.
No, another good yank. That's what Dad will
I've got a
say.
good yank left in me.
So, timber is out. We're waiting for a bearing. So, might be there today, tomorrow. So that's our tiller stock.
Right, out of stock.
Yeah. Cool.
It's out.
It is finally out.
I knew you could do it.
Awesome. If you can see, that's the hole it has to go through. It's quite small. A lot smaller than most boats. But it's not ideal. That's the new weld. The shaft is all nice and polished.
Hey! How rude!
I'm never rude, Taz.
Nice new anodes.
So I'm going to sand this down and repaint it. So we've got a nice new weld on there. This stuff that I've got apparently doesn't need primer.
So I've greased it all at the top.
And again.
So that will, yeah.
I think the tiller arm,
Lubricate the action.
tiller arm might be still sticky.
It is a little bit, I'm afraid. You might have to give it another coat of paint after I've
That's
corrected
okay.
it.
That's okay.
In fact, are you happy for me to pass it up to you?
Yep.
How? You can just go up. Keep going.
Much further. Is that
That's
enough?
it, there. Can you hold it there
Yep.
a minute?
There you go, shaft going up. Rudder going in.
Sorry, the thing's full.
It's okay. I can do it if you want.
Okay. Okay, let it down. That's it. Keep going. Keep going. All the way down.
Is that it?
Right. Keep going. Yeah, that's in place.
Okay.
Hey.
To the bottom. Right. Just need to get my jack, lift it up.
So how much was the bearing?
Honestly don't know. 35, 40 quid, something like that.
Okay, that's a reasonable price.
Hopefully it'll last us a few more years.
Hope so.
I need sharpening. Pick another one.
Do we have any anodes on the bottom?
Just drilling in some new holes. Just to hold it in place, yeah?
Yeah. Dry.
How often do we need to grease it?
Well, you need a grease gun to do it, so really it's like if you're in for a service somewhere and the mechanic should have a grease gun. But I say I'm not doing these up really tight, so that if you were to hit something here, this can lift up. It won't go very far because there's not a lot of distance, but if this was done up really tight on here, what would happen? It would rip the bearing back out of the housing again.
Yeah.
So the shaft will slide through the middle of the bearing. But the way that's set now, there's no play on it. And because we've eliminated all the play at the top, there's none in the bottom. So that bush that I said to you had hardly any play, you can really feel now that it's not there at all.
So it should make a big difference.
It should do, yeah.
Now we'll
Be tight on it. If this was tight, you'll blow the bearing out again. So we just tighten it up just so it's nipping the sides of the shaft so it doesn't rattle. But if it's necessary, it could push through it.
Yeah, okay.
Rather than pushing the bearing out.
The buttons have also been jet washed. Drying out nicely in the sun. Tiller all fixed with a new bearing. An amazing bit of kit, this one. Very impressive.
They look like when they're pulled out.
Yeah. Right mess. Yeah, we've seen some right dogs lately. So.
There's nothing you can do to stop it, unfortunately.
Yeah, you just have to maintain it.
Yeah, it's being in the water.
So at least we got all the algae off. Done a proper job.
God, that vacuum was dirty, wasn't it?
Yeah.
You have to put them on the right way up, they don't work upside down.
Talking crap.
Would I lie to you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Going as fast as my little leggies will carry me.
Well, it's catching you up.
Find that tin of paint because that's just really fast. Nice shiny new one.
Oh yeah, is it?
I don't know how many.
You see the one there?
And damage for the.
No.
Oh yeah, there.
It says
Oh my
8,
God, what's
I think,
the
overall.
base of this then?
Wow.
A dude from Linda.
Probably what we got caught on a few times.
What's in here? Anode on the base
Weird.
plate, guy.
Rudder. Nice head too.
Nice and smooth.
Lovely. Lovely. Nicely smooth flat.
So that's 2 layers of blacking, cured for a couple of days. And we're about to go back in. So, new anodes bolted on. So we are waiting for our boat to go back in the water this afternoon. This high boat has to go out first. So we've had our anodes done, blacking done, and the tiller repaired. Bearing and the bottom cup is okay in the end. So it's been good, hasn't it?
It's been good. Brilliant. It's, I'm amazed at what the work what's been carried out.
Very,
So
very
first
thorough.
class.
Thoroughly recommend harder boats.
Thanks, Rue and Jane.
Yes.
Thumbs up.
Filthy thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
We get lifted off, Taz. So we better get on the bank.
To the bank.
Right, come on up.
I'm
Daisy will look after us.
Better angle.
Just getting the straps in the right place there.
Strap-ons.
go. James just controlling the end. Taking the chocks out underneath.
Chocks away!
It's a very cool bit of kit actually.
There's a boat coming.
Just wait for them to go past before they put it in. It's clear, it's okay.
Everyone's in a hurry.
In it. There she
And
goes.
she's in.
Woo! Didn't she do well?
Fabulous. They're going to reverse out backwards, out of the straps.
Yeah, I know it's on the base plate.
Reverse of what we did earlier. Hopefully we will not fall off. He's all good. Straps come out the water. And off we go to Brinklow Marina. Thank you, see you again soon. Bye. It's a lot better than it has.
Nice and stiff, isn't it?
No clunky.
Stiff one too.
Bridge 41 here. Just about to make the turn into Brinklow Marina. Wish me luck. Here we go. going to Brinklow Marina for some much needed showers. So we'll leave this one here, folks, and thanks for watching. Bye for now. So if you've made it this far, thanks for watching, and keep watching. Keep like and subscribe.